Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Automotive Vibes 07. Today we are diving. The 2025 Caterpillar D11 bulldozer stands as a testament to engineering excellence, combining unparalleled power with cutting-edge technology to redefine efficiency in heavy machinery. Engine performance and efficiency. At the heart of the D11 is the formidable Cat A-registered C32 engine, delivering a net power of 850 horsepower. This robust engine ensures the bulldozer can tackle the most demanding tasks with ease. Notably, the integration of a stator clutch torque converter enhances drivetrain efficiency, contributing to an impressive 8% boost in fuel efficiency compared to its predecessors. Productivity enhancements. The D11 is designed for superior productivity. Its high horsepower reverse function accelerates non-productive travel times, resulting in up to an 8% increase in overall productivity. Additionally, the load-sensing hydraulic system improves implement response, allowing operators to perform tasks more swiftly and efficiently. Operator comfort and safety. Caterpillar has prioritized operator comfort in the D11's design. The cab features enhanced ergonomics, a fully adjustable air suspension seat, and intuitive controls, ensuring operators remain comfortable during long shifts. Safety is also paramount, with exceptional visibility, strategically placed mirrors, and optional 360-degree vision systems providing a comprehensive view of the worksite. Advanced technology integration. The D11 is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to assist operators. Automated Blade Assist, ABA, comes standard, automating blade movements to preset positions, reducing operator fatigue. Optional features like auto carrier sense provide automatic blade control during material transport, maintaining optimal load levels and increasing productivity by up to 15%. Durability and maintenance. Built to withstand rigorous conditions, the D11 boasts a redesigned case and frame for extended durability. Maintenance is streamlined with features like a 30% larger oil sump capacity, extending maintenance intervals, and grouped service points for easier access. These enhancements contribute to up to a 5% reduction in maintenance and repair costs. User feedback. While the D11 has received praise for its performance and technological advancements, some users have reported reliability issues, particularly concerning electrical components and sensor malfunctions. One operator noted, "By far our biggest reliability issue has been electrical. Mostly sensor issues but a lot of wiring." Another mentioned challenges with fine trim work and overall reliability, stating, "The resounding sentiment from both operators and maintenance has been disappointing." Conclusion. The 2025 Caterpillar D11 bulldozer represents a significant leap forward in heavy machinery, offering enhanced power, efficiency, and operator-centric features. While it sets new standards in many areas, potential buyers should be aware of reported reliability concerns and consider them when making purchasing decisions. For a visual overview of the D11's features and performance, you can watch the following video.